Hello everyone, welcome to How to series of Infraun Secura. Today, we will demonstrate how to add devices in the Infraun Secura tool. Make sure the device credentials have been configured before adding the devices. We can add devices in three ways. 1. Automatic discovery. 2. 3. CSV upload. Let us see the automatic discovery now. From the left menu, navigate to Automatic Discovery. Enter the IP address in the text box. Select the process from the drop-down. Select the device credential for the devices or leave it to default. Select the configuration profile for the devices or leave it to default. Select the connection protocol for connecting to the devices or leave it to default. Click on the Discover button to discover the device from the network. Discovery will be started as shown on the screen. Note that only the devices that are reachable from the tool at the time of discovery will be added to the tool. Now the discovered devices can be found on the Devices page and the Device View page. Let us see the second method, which is Add Device. From the left menu, navigate to Add Device. Enter the IP address in the text box. Select the vendor from the drop-down. Select the configuration profile from the drop-down. Select the device credential from the drop-down. Select the process from the drop-down. Click on the Save button to add the device to the tool. Note that this way of adding a device is independent of its reachability from the tool. The device will be added as per the user input, and they can be viewed on the Devices page and the Device View page. Now let us see the third method, which is CSV upload. From the left menu, go to Device CSV upload. Click on the sample CSV and check the format. In the CSV, IP address, discovery flag, and process name are mandatory to be filled. Discovery flag should be set to 1 in order to add that device. Save the CSV with the proper change. Click on Choose File and select the above saved CSV. Click on Upload File to perform the discovery. Discovery will be triggered as shown on the screen. Note that the conditions for discovery are the same as automatic discovery. Now the discovered devices can be found on the Devices page and the Device View page. Thank you for watching.